Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm making dosa vadas from leftover dosa ingredients. So here I have leftover dosa khiru, rice and lentil batter. Now you might be thinking, wouldn't dosa taste amazing? Yes, it does. But if you have some leftover and if you want to make something new out of it, this is a great way to prepare dosa vadas. And if you are thinking of some party, picnic, you can make ahead of time and you can serve in your little get together or at the picnic even. And aloo masala ready. And of course you can get more creative. I'm going to sneak in some cheese in the middle of the vadas. When the vadas are fried nice and hot, cheese inside will be melted and cheesy vadas taste amazing. So here I have the aloo masala. Now you can see that there are big chunks into the aloo masala. That's how the dosa masala stuffing is. So I'm going to mash it and make it nice and smooth like so. And now ready to form into vadas. You can shape round with cheese inside, or you can shape into Medu Vada as well. Now I'm going to use about a tablespoon of ice cream scoop measurement and form into flat patty kind of, and then place cheese in the center and then cover the cheese with potato and make a nice ball like so. And I'm going to prepare the remaining cheesy masala dosa vadas, or you can form into Medu Vada. So for that, just smooth out the ball by pressing like this and then flatten slightly, and then using your thumb make a hole in the center, and if it breaks, seal again. And then as you can see, you can prepare the shape like so. Don't worry about the shape or the look of the vada. Once you dip into the batter and fry, it's gonna look just like a regular Medu Vada. So I'm going to keep making vadas until I'm done with all the stuffing. Alright, so I'm done with making all the vadas and now ready to dip into the batter and fry. Heat up the oil on medium to high heat, and here I have the dosa batter. Stir really well. Add 1 ball of aloo masala. Coat really well and carefully drop into the oil and deep fry. Fry till golden brown. When done, remove from the oil and bring down onto the paper towel. Now in order to fry Medu Vada shape, you will have to use your hand. The mixture or the vada into the batter and then keep your thumb and the index finger or the other finger from the other side and drop into the oil. And again fry till golden brown color. And I'm going to fry the remaining vadas. Here I have the serving plate ready. I have some coconut chutney, and this is my secret chutney, not secret anymore. It's basically the mix of lemon pickle that I prepare and ketchup. Alright, so all the vadas are ready and I am also ready to dig into it. The best moment. Dip into my favorite sauce and inside the mouth. The tangy sauce is just so perfect, amazing. Crispy outside and yummy masala inside, and the cheese inside. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Bhavna's Kitchen is also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, so do follow me on those social media. Thanks for watching and see you soon.